Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make glasses look nice, how to style glasses to the point where when people see you, it will make them want to go get glasses. So without too much talking, let's get into it, man.
Wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley.
So yeah guys, first of all, let's get to the basics. The basics are you need to find a pair of glasses, a frame that actually fits your face, and you need to find a pattern in the frames, meaning that for everyone there's a certain size and shape of glasses that actually fits them, that's good for their face. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you another pair that I have, and you're gonna see what I mean. You see this pair right here, it's got a rectangular shape. Do you know what I mean? These are Armani, and basically it's not taking all my face. Do you know what I mean? It's basically showing my eyes. Do you know what I'm saying? Because my eyes are quite, I would say my eyes are kind of big. Do you know what I'm saying? So I need glasses that just, do you know what I'm saying, make my eyes visible. Do you know what I mean? That's the most important thing. Take glasses that make your eyes visible and also make your face so that people can see your facial structure. You know what I mean? That makes it visible. For example, me, I can't take glasses that are too narrow. So find the shape that makes your face more visible, that make your nose visible, that makes your facial structure visible. Second thing, have more than one pair. Have 3 pairs. Do you know what I'm saying? So that you can switch it up a bit. Do you know what I mean? Switch up the style. Do you know what I mean? Have a pair for each, for every mood you got. You feel me? You get what I'm saying? My favorite pair is this one right here. Hugo Boss. You see? Rectangular shape. Rectangular. Rectangular. Oh, rectangular. And that brings me to the third thing you need to do in order to make glasses look. You gotta switch it up, bust up the glasses. You know what I'm saying? Tint the glasses. You know what I'm saying? Right now, this is my favorite pair, and basically, I just got them tinted to brown, but like only 10%. Do you know what I mean? And when people see these glasses, they're like, "Whoa!" When girls see me, I swear down here. First time I started wearing these glasses, I went Central London. Girls were all over me. Obviously, yo, boy, listen, I'm bougie, you know what I'm saying? So I give away, man. But they were all over me, do you know what I'm saying? Listen, when you tint your glasses, yeah, it makes you look like a celebrity, do you know what I'm saying? When you go to your optician, just basically tell them, okay, could you please tint my glasses? Obviously, they'll charge you a little something, but it's whatever. You can tint it to different colors, brown, gray, rose gold, blue, whatever you want to tint them to, you know what I'm saying? I suggest brown, rose gold, gray. Even the rose gold, I'll say cut that out. Instead of rose gold, maybe you can take amber. That'll be fine too. But it all depends on the frame, do you know what I mean? And you can also turn your glasses, yeah, your regular glasses, into sunglasses, as you can see in the picture on the side, you know what I'm saying? For 2 years, these glasses were actually sunglasses for me, do you know what I'm saying? They will do it for you, they will put the UV protection, all of that, do you know what I mean? For example, here is an example, this is an example of a pair that does not fit me too well. Because that shape, it has to have a certain length, because when it's too narrow, for example, for me, yeah, it kind of hides the beauty of my face, no cap. Everyone is beautiful, you know what I mean? So this type of glasses is not really good for me. It has to be up to here, you know what I mean? It has to reach basically like hair kind of thing, you know. And it has to be like slightly round. You see the difference? You see the difference? You see? You see, now with this one, you see my face a bit more. Whereas this one, you know what I'm saying? But the thing, what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna tint them to grey, slight grey, like 15%, and that's, it is what it is, man. So yeah, guys, this was just a little, you know, a little rundown on how to look cool with glasses, you know what I'm saying? And with that as well comes another component. That component is know how to dress, you know what I'm saying? You have to dress like a boss, you feel me? And everything will be fine, because you know when you wear glasses, you can't look like a regular guy. You have to look up there, because glasses is part of a classy attire, you know what I'm saying? Or like a, you know what I'm saying, a boss attire, you feel me? All the big executives and all that, they wear glasses, you know what I'm saying? So don't worry, fam. You're not a nerd if you wear glasses, fam. You're cool, you get me? Like when you know what? When I was young, before I wore glasses at the age of 5, I wanted glasses. Do you get what I'm saying? And now I know that when I'm stepping out, people want glasses. Fam. Do you get what I'm saying? When they see me, they know they want the glasses, fam. They want to wear that. Do you get what I'm saying? If you find this video helpful, go check out my other videos, you know what I'm saying? I do reviews, I do so many things. Make sure you leave a little subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, go down in the description and help me with the Palestine petition and all that, you know what I'm saying? Go in the description. Yes, sir.